Hey, this is Brian from Nobody Cares Network 24. That is Beta Quattro. Although, actually, Nobody Cares Network 24 may be changing to the Aloha Pest Control Network 26. Possibly. But that remains to be seen. Anyway, I'm going to see if I can pause this and... Okay, so I ordered a lawnmower from Temu. I ordered it on Sunday, and it got here last night, Wednesday. So 3 nights. And it got here, and I'm going to see if I can carry this. It folded up in a box like this. It's like a stroller. And that's about the same as it weighs. So I'm going to carry it out of my garage. I don't know if I can make it through here or not, but I'll try. And then, see if I can do this with one hand. Pop that thing up. Pop this thing out. Next thing you know, you're looking at a lawnmower like this. I will start it. All right. And we've got it set on 4. So I am not a very good lawnmower traditionally, but oh, 4 might be a little low. Looks like that might have cut a little too low, but still. See, I get all that stuff. But yeah, it's a damn good mower. $200.